Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will discuss financial statements of non-profit organizations. Go to study note number 4. Preparation of financial statements of non-profit organizations. I will be discussing illustrations. Illustration 8. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 13 and balance sheet as on 31st December 13 in the books of an education society. So you are supposed to prepare income expenditure account and balance sheet and trial balance is given. Whatever is in the debit column will be shown either to the assets side of the balance sheet or it will be shown as expenditure. Whatever you will get in the credit column will be shown either as liabilities in the balance sheet or it will be shown as income. So we'll just go through the trial balance. Library books, assets, books added during the year, it is to be added in the opening balance of books. Furniture assets, addition, it is to be added in that. Building assets, investment assets, creditors, liabilities, debtors assets, investment reserve fund is liability, any kind of fund is liability. Entrance fees, sometimes adjustment, additional information for entrance fees is given, then accordingly you are supposed to do. But in this particular question, no additional information, no adjustment about entrance fees is given, then it is to be added to capital fund on the liability side of the balance sheet. Examination fees is income, certificate fees is income, subscription received is shown on the income side, it has got adjustments. Higher charges, income, interest income, other receipts income, salary, printing stationery, postage, telegraph, insurance, examination expenses, periodical, all are to be recorded on the expenditure side. Salary, insurance, subscription, library books, furniture and buildings got adjustment. I will let you know how it is to be done. Prize fund, this is very important. Any kind of fund it is to be shown on the liability side. Prize fund is to be shown on the liability side. Prize investment is to be shown on the assets side. Now prize investment income and prizes given. They have invested, from that they have received income and out of that they have given some prices. This is very important. Prize investment income is to be added to prize fund and prizes given is to be deducted from prize fund. Prize fund is to be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Prize bank balance is asset. Donations are of capital nature, so it is to be added to capital fund. General expenses, expenditure, capital fund, liabilities. Bank balance, asset. Cash in hand, asset. Subscription receivable, that means outstanding 22,500, it is to be shown on the asset side as well as income side. You are supposed to add outstanding. Subscription received for 2014 7850, this is subscription received in advance. On income side it is to be deducted as received in advance and it is to be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Interest accrued on investment 6250, it is to be shown as income as well as it is to be shown on the asset side. Salary outstanding 12,500, expenditure side add it to salary and show it on the liability side. Prepaid insurance 4,500, expenditure side deduct it from insurance and show it on the assets side. Depreciate books at 15%, building at 1% and furniture at 10%. I will show you working notes for this. Depreciation on books at the rate of 15%. Opening balance of books is given, which is 2,30,000. On that, at the rate of 15% depreciation for 1 year is 34,500. Additions during the year. They have purchased books during the year worth 50 to 200. We do not know the date of purchase of books. So calculate depreciation on additions at 15% for 6 months, which is 3915. Total depreciation on books is 38,415. which is to be shown as expenditure, and opening balance of books plus addition minus total depreciation is to be shown on the assets. Depreciation on furniture at 10%. Opening balance of furniture is 159,500. So depreciation is to be calculated at 10% on opening balance, which is 15,950. Additions during the year 35,500. Do not know the date of purchase. So depreciation is to be calculated at 10% for 6 months, which is 1775. Total depreciation is 17,725. It is to be shown on expenditure side, total depreciation, and opening balance of furniture plus additions minus total depreciation is to be shown on the assets. Depreciation on building at 1%. Opening balance of building is given. Calculate depreciation at the rate of 1%, which is 37,890. It is to be shown on expenditure side, and building minus depreciation is to be shown on the assets side. Subscription received is given, which is 2,75,800. Add outstanding subscription, deduct subscription received in advance, and whatever net figure you will get, 2,90,450, it is to be shown as income. Outstanding subscription is to be shown on the asset side, and subscription received in advance is to be shown on the liabilities side of the balance sheet. So this is how you are supposed to do the adjustment. Prepare income expenditure account. It will show surplus or deficit. If there is surplus, add it to capital fund. If there is deficit, deduct it from capital fund, and check whether your balance sheet matches. Do this question on your own. I have given you the working note. Now we'll go to illustration 9. From the following receipts and payments account, prepare income expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 16. Receipts and payment account is given, and you have been asked to prepare income expenditure account. To balance brought down, cash and bank. This is not to be recorded in income expenditure account. Subscription and entrance fees. We'll see what is given in the adjustment. Stars are there. Accordingly, we'll do. Purchase of furniture is asset, not to be recorded in income expenditure account, whereas rent, honorariums, salary, sport expenses, sundry expenses, printing, stationery, all are to be shown as expenses, expenditure in income expenditure account. Salaries, rent, they have got adjustment, we'll do it. Closing cash and bank balance is not to be recorded in income expenditure account. Opening cash and bank will be shown in the opening balance sheet asset side, and closing cash and bank balance will be shown in the closing balance sheet assets side. Additional information: subscription due, outstanding subscription, opening, closing. Subscription received in advance, opening and closing. Rent outstanding, opening and closing. That's why I put a mark on rent. Salaries paid in advance, opening and closing. Prepaid salaries, that's why there is you can see star against salaries. It has got adjustment. Prepaid salaries, opening as well as closing. Furniture, opening 18,000, closing 23,000. 60% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. That's why it is star here. 60% of entrance fees, 60% of 3,000 will be added to capital fund, and 40% will be shown as income. Interest on saving bank account for 280 has not been entered in the cash book. So 280 interest on saving bank is to be shown as income. An old furniture written down value 8,000 was exchanged at an agreed price of 5,000 for new furniture costing rupees 15,000. They have exchanged old furniture and got new furniture whose written down value, book value was 8,000, but agreed price was 5,000, and price of the new furniture was 15,000. So they have purchased new furniture whose cost was 15,000, but they have given their old furniture whose agreed price was 5,000. So difference 10,000 you can see here in payments, purchase of furniture 10,000. I will show you working how it is to be done. Furniture opening balance is 18,000. Written down value of furniture sold is 8,000 plus cost of new furniture purchased is 15,000. So net balance of furniture is 25,000. But if you see additional information, they are showing 23,000 is the furniture value as on 31st December 16. Furniture closing balance 23,000. Therefore, depreciation on furniture is 2,000, which is to be shown on the expenditure side. Written down value, book value of furniture sold, that is, they have exchanged old furniture with new furniture. Book value of that was 8,000. Agreed price of that, they have exchanged it 5,000. So loss on exchange or sale of this furniture is 3,000. This loss on exchange of furniture is to be shown on the expenditure side. 40% of entrance fees are to be shown as income. 40% of 3,000 is 1,200 are to be shown as income on the income side. Interest on saving bank account 280 to be shown as income. Rent paid is given 3,600. Closing outstanding 300 is to be added. Opening outstanding 600 is to be deducted. So net balance on the expenditure side is 3,300. Salaries paid 2,100 less closing prepaid 900 plus opening prepaid 1,200. So salaries to be shown on the expenditure side is 2,400. Now if you go back to the question, subscription outstanding opening closing is given, subscription received in advance opening closing is given, subscription as per receipt payment account is given, and you are supposed to find out subscription as per income expenditure account for preparation of income expenditure account. So it is better to prepare subscription account and find out the amount which gets transferred to income expenditure account. Subscription account, to balance brought down opening outstanding, by balance carried down closing outstanding, by balance brought down opening received in advance, to balance carried down closing received in advance, which is given as additional information. Just now we have seen this. 2,100, 3,200, 2,100, 3,200, 1,400, 2,700, 1,400, 2,700, 24,500 as per receipt payment account, 24,500 as per receipt payment account. So in income expenditure account, subscription to be transferred is 24,300, which is balancing figure. If you prepare subscription account as a working note, then no need of showing all these additions and deductions in income expenditure account. Directly you can write this figure 24,300. You can give reference of working note. I have given you all the workings. I want you to do income expenditure account on your own and check whether you get surplus or deficit. Now go to page number 240, first question. From the following receipt and payment account of Jaipur Krida Parishad for the year ended 31st March 2014 and additional information given, prepare an income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2014 and balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. You have been given receipt payment account, additional information, and they have asked you to prepare income expenditure account as well as closing balance sheet. It is necessary to prepare opening balance sheet also if it is not given in the question, because you should know the capital fund. So when opening balance sheet is not given in the question, prepare opening balance sheet. Assets minus liabilities will be capital fund balancing figure that is to be transferred to closing balance sheet. We'll see it. Receipt payment account. Opening cash and bank will go to opening balance sheet assets. Subscription income, it has got adjustment. Sale of old newspaper is income. Legacy is very important. Something left by a deceased or the person who has died as per his will. Always on the liability side. Interest on investment income, it has got adjustment. Endowment fund receipts, always on the liabilities side. The closing balance sheet liabilities side, you will get legacies and endowment fund receipts. Proceeds of sports and concerts income, advertisement in yearbook is to be recorded as income. Secretary honorarium expenditure, staff salary expenditure, charity expenditure, printing stationery expenditure, postage, rates, upkeep of ground, all these are expenses. Staff salary has got adjustment, we'll see that. Purchase of sports material, I will let you know what it is. Miscellaneous expenditure is expenditure to be recorded on the expenditure side of income expenditure account. Cash and bank balance closing will be shown on the asset side of closing balance sheet. Now additional information is given. Outstanding subscription, opening closing. Subscription received in advance, opening closing. You have subscription as per receipt payment account. So you can prepare subscription account as working note and find out subscription which is to be transferred to income expenditure account. Outstanding subscription is to be shown on the asset side. Subscription received in advance is to be shown on the liability side. Office equipment asset, furniture asset, ground land asset, sports material asset, outstanding staff salaries, opening and closing, it is to be shown on the liability side. That's why I have put a mark on staff salaries. Payment of salaries plus closing outstanding minus opening outstanding will be shown on the expenditure side, whereas outstanding is shown on the liabilities. And purchase of sports material 20,000 and 27,000 will be shown on the asset side of opening and closing balance sheet. Opening sports material is 20,000 plus they have purchased sports material during the year worth 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 plus 20,000 is 2,30,000 minus 27,000 is the value of sports material which is used or consumed during the year, which is to be shown as expenditure. There was no purchase and sale of office equipment and furniture during the year. We'll go back to additional information. Office equipment and furniture, no purchase or sale. That means opening minus closing is depreciation. 80 minus 68 is depreciation, which is to be shown on as expenditure. 60 minus 54 is depreciation, which is to be shown as expenditure. Which is to be shown on the expenditure side of income expenditure account. Legacies shall be capitalized. In the absence of this information also, just remember legacies are always to be capitalized. Investments are made in securities, the rate of interest being 9% per annum. The date of investment was 1st July 12 and the amount of investment was 3 lakhs. Due date of interest was 31st March every year. As the date of investment is 1st July 12, it is to be shown as an asset in opening balance sheet also. Last year they have made the investment. So in opening balance sheet also this investment is to be shown. Find out interest on investment at 9% on 3 lakhs. Compare it with interest paid on investment, and the difference will be interest outstanding. We'll see that. Subscription account, opening outstanding is given, closing outstanding is given, opening received in advance is given, closing received is advance is given. Subscription in receipt payment account, we know subscription to be transferred to income expenditure account is balancing figure 466 100. So just prepare this working note. No need of showing anything in income expenditure account. Just give reference of working note number. Office equipment opening balance 80,000, closing balance 68,000. Therefore, depreciation is 12,000. Difference between these two is to be shown on expenditure side. Furniture opening balance 60,000, closing balance 54,000. Therefore, depreciation is 6,000, which is to be shown on expenditure side. Sports material opening balance 20,000 plus purchased 2,10,000 minus closing balance sports material used or consumed during the year 2,03,000, which is to be shown on expenditure side. Interest on investment due is 9% of 3 lakhs 27,000. Interest received is given on the receipt side. See, interest on investment 25,000, receipt payment account, receipt side 25,000. Due was 27,000, received 25,000. Therefore, outstanding interest on investment is 2,000. Outstanding interest on investment 2,000 is to be shown on the closing balance sheet asset side as well as income side. 25,000 received plus 2,000 outstanding. This is how you are supposed to show this. Salary paid 4,10,000 plus closing outstanding 50,000 minus opening outstanding 40,000. So on the expenditure side, net salary figure is 4,20,000. Now I will show you how to prepare opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 13 is opening balance sheet. Opening cash and bank 18,600 55,450. Cash in hand 18,600, cash at bank 55,450. Additional information, this is the column of opening assets and liabilities. Outstanding subscription 45,600, office equipment 80,000, furniture 60,000, ground land and 5 lakhs and sports material 20,000. Outstanding subscription, sports material, office equipment, furniture and ground land. Investment, it is given in the additional information. I have shown you date of purchase of investment, date of investment is given. So 3 lakhs is to be shown in the opening balance sheet also. So this is how you are supposed to record all assets in opening balance sheet. Subscription received in advance is given in additional information. Outstanding staff salary is also given in additional information. So this is balancing figure, capital fund, which is to be transferred to closing balance sheet. See, capital fund, opening capital fund as on 1/4/13. Now we'll see closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 14. Go to receipt payment account. Closing cash and bank 24,500 and 83,200. 24,500, 83,200. Then go to additional information. Outstanding subscription on the asset side, office equipment 68,000, furniture 54,000, ground land 5 lakhs, sports material 27,000 on the asset side. Liability side, subscription received in advance 16,300 and outstanding salaries 50,000. Subscription outstanding Sports material, investment, same investment will be recorded in the closing balance sheet also. Office equipment, furniture, ground land. Now accrued interest 2000. This I have shown you working note. Accrued interest on investment 2000, which is to be shown on the asset side, closing balance sheet assets. So this is 2000. Subscription received in advance. Outstanding salaries is given in additional information. Legacies and endowment fees, it is shown on the receipt side of receipt payment account. Capital fund, opening balance sheet balancing figure is capital fund. This is to be written in the inner column of closing balance sheet. Add surplus, deduct deficit. You are getting deficit, deduct it, take it in the outer column, and your balance sheet matches. Now I will show you how this deficit has come. Deficit you will get in income expenditure account. By subscription, I have shown you how this subscription figure, no need of doing all this, directly you can prepare subscription account. In subscription account you can get this figure 4,66,100. Subscription account balancing figure 4,66,100. Interest on investment received 25,000, outstanding 2,000, 27,000. Sale of newspaper, proceeds of sports concert, advertisement, all this is given on the receipt side. Honorarium of secretary, staff salary, I have shown you the working note. Directly you can take it here if you prepare working note. Charity, printing stationery, postage, telephone, rents, upkeep, everything is given in receipt payment account on the payment side. Sports material, I have shown you the working note. Sports material used or consumed. Miscellaneous expenses, depreciation also we have seen working note. Depreciation on furniture and equipment. Expenditure is more, take the total of expenditure. Difference is deficit, which is to be transferred to closing balance sheet. It is to be deducted from opening capital fund. That is how you are supposed to solve these questions. In this particular video, we have seen illustration covering preparation of income expenditure account, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. Thank you.